Well, first weekend of bow season. Beautiful morning, about 51 degrees out this morning. Drove up here to Blue Mound, me and Dylan, running on about a solid 3 hours of sleep. Had a football game last night, we won pretty good. So we're up here, first time hunting the graveyard. So we got a lot of good pictures of does, hopefully do some doe management. It's 5:07. Gonna finish getting ready. It's pretty good stuff.
Yes, baby. Oh my god. Dude, oh my god. What just happened, fool? Dude, there's another doe gun. Very first time I've ever gone hunting with my brand new bow. First weekend into deer season. Right there. Is that her standing? There's a deer standing. You know what? I don't care. She's standing there. That's a nice doe standing there. That's all I'm saying. She's looking at me right now. What's up, girl? Dude, it's so awesome. Boondock Assassins, baby. This is awesome. Brand new rage just did